Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be using a Hik-Vision network video recorder, and we're going to set calendar scheduling to fit our customer's working schedule. We'll start by enabling motion detection. We are currently working on NVR channel 1, which shows as D1. Save. Navigate to arming schedule. You can now set your alarm schedule. Our alarm will be armed from 1800 to 0600 in the morning, Monday to Friday. But Saturday and Sunday are armed all day. Click Save. Click in Linkage Method and tick Notify Surveillance and Alarm pop-up window. Click Save. Navigate to Video Tampering.